Meaning of expectorate.
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 Expectorate. Expectorate refers to the act of coughing up and spitting out phlegm or mucus from the respiratory tract. This process helps to clear the airways, making it easier to breathe. The result of expectoration is the elimination of excess mucus and sputum from the lungs and throat, which can be helpful in treating respiratory illnesses such as bronchitis and pneumonia. Expectoration can also be a natural reflex when the body needs to clear out irritants, such as smoke or dust, that have been inhaled. Overall, expectoration is essential for maintaining healthy respiratory function.